Are you struggling with the financial burden of home repairs? Well, you're not alone. Many homeowners wonder if free grants are available to help alleviate this stress. And in this episode, we're exploring the government-funded grants to assist homeowners with essential repairs and improvements. From federal agencies to local programs, we're going to uncover valuable resources aimed at maintaining and upgrading residential properties. Join us as we navigate the world of home repair grants and discover how they can make a difference in your life.